welcome back to the channel. It's Nanda here, aka Lo. What's good? What's poppin'? How y'all doing today? Sis, on this good, it's hump day when I'm filming this, okay? So it's a good Wednesday, okay? So it's hump day, film day, hair day. That's what kind of day is given, okay? So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, I am Lo, also known as Ruth Nanda on my channel. I take care of my natural hair on a budget, and I also do other things on a budget like hauls, DIYs and stuff like that. Anything, child. I like to save my coins. So if you're interested in saving your coins like moi, then make sure you are subscribed down below and hit your notification bell so you know every time I upload. As well, sis, if you are a regular Lo gang subscriber, okay, you coming back to check another video out on my, hey girl, hey, how you doing? Let's get it. It's been a minute, okay? I feel like I haven't done a sit down video in a long time. It probably hasn't been that long, but it feels that long. But anyway, y'all, in this video, as you guys can tell by the title, we about to do this hair and use some Amazon tools to get this hair done and have it popping. Now, let me tell you something. At first, I low-key kind of saw something. I saw these things on TikTok, but I also was just Googling on Amazon for some tools to curl my hair, and this popped up. So we're going to be using this good old thing right here, okay? This is what it looks like in the back, okay? Let me open it up so y'all can really see what it's giving, all right? These are what it looks like, and this is how it looks, okay? So we'll be using these to curl our hair. So, you know, it's probably the famous TikTok curlers, okay? So we're going to use it today. And we will be using our foam roots because I think this will be the best option to use the styler to use for my hair to use this product. So we're to. But yeah, so I'm just go ahead and just take a little section, and I'm just gonna pin this to the side. final look. It looks good. Like, the curls came out super popping. I really like those curl formers. I feel like they're the easiest thing to use. So I will link it in the description below if you guys are interested in picking them up from Amazon yourself. I feel like it would be so much better if the cut was the way I wanted it to be. I think it will really pop. But I'm gonna have to either fix this cut or go to somebody else and let them fix it, because it's not giving what I wanted to give. But the curls really did what it had to do. I'm gonna show you guys the back. It looks looks really nice. It looks really, 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 really nice. I do have other curl formers that I want to try. So let me know if you guys are interested. I might still put it up anyway for fun because I like trying new things on my channel and let you guys see. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Would you guys try these curl formers? Do you guys think it's, you know, it's not giving what it's supposed to have gave? It's too much hype behind it and everything like that. Let me know what you think because I would like to know. But yeah, I think the style came out super cute. I am happy about it. And yeah, so until next time, guys, kisses for me. Bye.